or B square? And here's Tia with our Black History Month announcement.
Oh,
Good morning, guys. I'll
for
start with a quote from
okay, so you need $1 back when I get some change.
He who is not courageous enough to take risks will accomplish nothing in life.
Abby, do you have your $2,
We'd like
baby?
to congratulate a number of our students today. First, we'd like to say congratulations to Allison McCrimmon, who will sign a letter of intent in soccer with all. Price and Jaden Sims won against Chilton County in doubles. And Daniel McCammon, a surrender, also won in doubles. And Daniel McCammon, a surrender, Emerson Price, and Jaden Sims also had victories in singles. So congratulations to our tennis team.
During, if you want to know
Juniors, balance will be delivering class ratings today from 11 to 12:30. Your balance will be due at delivery. That's all for today. If you would please stand for the pledge. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you, everybody. It's a great day. Warriors strong.
All right, guys, here we go. Let me get the timer up. We're starting on 43. 43. As soon as the screen wants to come up. Kyron, you ready, dear? 46. All right, here we go. Go, 43 to 46. Go.
Thank you.
30 seconds left, guys.
Please pardon the interruption. May I have your attention, please? All football players, THS football players, at this time, would you please come to the field house for a special meeting? All football players, at this time, please come to the field house for a special meeting. Thank you.
Okay, time's up. I don't know why that screen is not working. It was in the top little right-hand corner. All right, what about the ones from yesterday starting on, what was it, 39 that we started on? Not 39. Yeah. All right, does anybody need 39 from yesterday? Guys, how about we focus today, please? And I don't have to be your mama and tell you to behave. Come on. Do y'all need 39? Yes? No? Yes. Okay. Somebody said yes. All right, here we go. Give me a number, any number.
7.
7? Okay. I need another number for M. 3? Okay. Add them together because it says N plus M. So 7 plus 3 is 10, right? Okay, so here we go. Is 10 a natural number? We did this like at the beginning of the year. Yes, natural numbers are all the numbers you count by and 0, okay? All right, is it an integer? Do you remember what integers were?
Yes.
What were integers?
Positive and negative.
There you go, Blake, positive and negative. Okay, so here we go. Which ones do not have 1 and 2? B as in boy, D and C. Very good. So you got 2 left, and narrowed down to 2 choices. All right, so let's see. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 4 and 5. So let's look at 4, a real number. Is 10 a real number? Yes. So the only one that's got 1, 2, 3, and 4 is E. Y'all okay?
What is a complex?
Complex numbers we haven't got. It's with I. We haven't gotten to those yet. It has a little I in the back of it. But we've talked about I's. We just haven't talked about complex yet. All right. What about 40? Does anybody need 40? No? Come on, y'all got about 2 months left till you take it here at school for juniors. All right, 41. Anybody need 41? 41? Man, y'all are knocking these out of the park then, I guess. I hope, anyway. All right, 42? Yes, 42? Okay, let's see. Bless you. Okay, so you remember the matrices that we did before? Okay, do you remember how to determine the size of this? It was row by column. So how many rows does this have? 3. By how many columns? 1. And how many rows does this have? 1. And how many columns? 3. So can I multiply these? Is it legal? You remember how to do it? Very good, Tyler. These 2 insides have to be the same, so my answer is going to be a 3 by 3 matrix, right? Automatically, you just narrow down to 2 answer choices. Which ones are not 3 by 3? H, J, and K, right? Okay, so here we go. Let's see. We're not even going to need this whole thing, probably, it looks like. Okay. Let's do the first one. So the first row by the first column was A times 1. 1A or just A. Does that narrow down? No, these both have A. All right, the first row by the second column was A times 0. 0, though. Oh, there we go. There it is. You didn't have to finish it. Okay, got it good?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. We'll do 43 and the rest of them on Monday. All right, here we go. Grab your notes, put those up. I do have your test graded. I do have your homeworks for you. If you haven't turned in page 17, I need that like today, okay?
Wait, can we see our test then?
If we have enough time, yes. Yes. I haven't put them in the computer yet because I just finished grading the last few ones this morning. All right, page 19. Y'all got it? Y'all remember that long division stuff and the synthetic division we did before? Remember how I told you it was coming back? And here it is.
It's not.
Nope. Gotta know how to do it.
You do this.
Alright, here we go. So this says use synthetic substitution, so this is a little bit different. You ready?
I don't think I have it.
You have the other notes, so you have these. If not, grab a piece of paper, Hunter. Okay, so remember you had this little, let's do number 5 down here, okay? Remember you had a little box, right? So what number does it tell you to plug in first?
4.
4. Okay, alright, here we go. Am I missing any exponents? No, I go 3, 2, 1, 0. Here we go. So what's my first number? 2. What's my second number? 1. What's my next number? And 3. Here we go. Cut the last one off. Alright, bring down the 2. And you're going to multiply. What's 2 times 4? 8. Then you're going to add. What's 1 plus 8? 9. Now multiply. What's 4 times 9?
36.
Now add. What's negative 5 plus 36? 31. Now multiply. What's 4 times 31? 124, you said? Okay. Add and you get
We get 1.7.
127. So if I were to plug in 4, my answer is always the remainder for synthetic substitution. If it says synthetic substitution, that's your answer. Y'all okay? Let me show you how to check it. Huh?
So just the last one.
For synthetic substitution, yes. Alright, here we go. We've done this before. We plugged in. Plug in 4. What's the first number? 2. And then 4 to the, what, third power? And then plus 4 to the second power minus 5 times 4 plus 3. You see how I still got the same answer? But
Just do that.
no, because it says synthetic substitution, so I have to make sure you know how to do this way. But yes, I certainly would do this to check your work, though. Alright, so number 5, what's the next one that tells us to find? Negative 3. Alright, so let's do it again for negative 3. Here we go. So I have 2, 1, negative 5, 3. Cut the last one off. Hunter, you okay? Because I know you missed some of this stuff when we did it.
Yeah.
You okay on this? Do you see where I'm getting these numbers?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, bring the 2 down. Multiply. What's 3? Negative 3 times 2. Negative 6. Very good. I was going ahead and adding, sorry. Now add and you get negative 5. Alright, what's negative 3 times negative 5? 15. Add to negative 5 and you get 10. Multiply and you get negative 30. Add them and you get 27. Very good, very good. Alright, so what was that? F of negative 3? Negative 27. Alright, let's check it. You ready? So I'm going to type in 2 parentheses, negative 3 to the third, plus parentheses, negative 3 to the second, minus 5 parentheses, negative 3, and then plus 3. And I still get negative 27. Y'all okay? Like, I need some kind of response. Y'all are just staring into the blank abyss. Are y'all okay? Okay. Now, you have 6, 7, and 8. We're going to do those today in class. And then we're going to move on Monday, okay? So, I'm going to help you out. On number 6, are you missing any exponents?
Yes.
Yes, it goes from 3 to 1, so you're missing a 0 right there. Make sure you put a 0 in between them. This is a plus sign, by the way, on 7, okay? So there's a plus sign. All right, are you missing any exponents on 7? Yes, which one?
1.
The 1. Very good. The x to the 1. So you got a 0 right there between negative 4 and 2. All right, and again, this is a plus sign. They got messed up whenever they copied. All right, are you missing any exponents on 8? No. Did you got it good? Okay, so you got 6 that you're going to do 2 things for. You got 7 you're going to do 2 things for. And you got 8 that you're going to do 2 things for. Y'all okay? All right, good. Here we go.
Can I do it on a separate sheet?
You certainly can. Yep, but I'm going to call some people up here to do them on the board when we get finished. Make sure you check them, okay? There's no reason why you can't get, we got one more part of this test next week. There's no reason why you shouldn't get an A, because you can check your work.
Did you make any of the paperbacks up?
Oh, you still couldn't find it? Okay. Write them down real quick, that way I can get people to put them on it, okay?
Oh gosh, it is. Yeah. Negative the fours and everything. Just put the, yeah, that fours and everything. That's fine. There we go. Yeah. Okay, there you go. Do you want to put that one on? Just the fours, just the, yeah, just the four. Okay. How are we doing?
Is it? Dang it, why?
Guys, we're not gonna do that bottom part, so if you wanna use that bottom space to finish working it out, that's cool.
All right, y'all check your work for 6. Hunter, can I slide this up now? Huh? Okay. So, all right, so you should have gotten 178 and negative 69 for number 6, right? Most of y'all had that pretty good. It's negative 67, yeah. Sorry. Did I say, what did I say? Oh, I guess I was looking at that 69 right above it. Okay, and then 7, check your answer for the 4. You should have gotten 258. Leslie, do you have the negative 3 for 7?
As long as that's the F4 equals whatever, or you think it's on.
If you do, or if you don't.
If you don't.
If you don't.
Okay.
But like, just.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just really want to know. Did you want to go back and watch your time? Yeah. Like, do you know how to plug in the check box? Because you gotta do it every test. Alright, let's see, let's do the last one. Let's do this one, ready? Okay, so. Alright, here we go. 2. What's your X? 4 fixes. 4 fixes, take 4 come. Let's go. Divided by the way minus 2.
Alright.
Parentheses. What's your actual value? Parentheses. Equal divided up minus 1. Parentheses. What's your actual value?
This is good.
Close parentheses. Double times.
Oh.
Right over. Okay. Where's your pencil?
Oh my goodness. So I'm not leaving.
Oh, are you doing it that way? Okay, never mind.
Oh.
That's right, that's right. Where is it?
No.
So you actually there? All right, now, check this one. So I want you to do some of the first. Go to negative 3, same thing, you do negative 3. How do you put it there? Yeah. Alright, let's do it one time. It's gonna do put that one up first.
Alright, anybody having issues? I'm just gonna put up number 8 right here at the bottom. In here. You getting them?
Wait, what'd you say?
Just put it right down here at the bottom.
Okay.
Let's try to see if we can squeeze it in, okay? Alright, let's see. I got some homework to hand back. Caitlin, here's your homework, buddy. Leslie, here's your homework, buddy. Leslie, I still need page 13. 17. Yeah. Tyler Mims. We'll grab this real quick. And Abby. All right, these are your tests back. Now look, these tests are not in the computer yet, okay? So I gotta have these back. Blake, Allie, Reagan, Kai, Caitlin, Jonathan, Maddie, Sydney, Peyton, David's not here, Saul's not here, Tyler Emerson, Tyler Mims,
Just want me to
Mike,
do one.
Abby, yeah, just the one, Tyler's gonna be the other one, and Will.
Club cheeks. What is it?
All right, Tyler, did you put up this other one for me yet? Come on.
Oh, we're around that.
Hold on, I gotta move the screen up.
Yeah, it's okay.
I have so many pluses
Here,
everywhere.
put the other one.
Hey, this one.
Right here on these two, you had to factor them. You lost over half your, well, 7 points for each, you lost over half your points because you factored wrong. And then you didn't show me any work. Since you didn't show me any work, I can't see what you went wrong. So I didn't see if your points were wrong or if your graph were wrong, so I couldn't give you anything. This one, we'll just make the plus and minus, so you got 5 out of 7. And, you know.
I don't know what I did on mine.
I gotta get a point on that one, I didn't see what it is. -2 times -3. That's possible. What's the other factor of 6?
No, you know, 5.
What's the other factor of 6? The only other factor of 6.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I put 7 through 2.
I'll fix that, because I should have been there. Here, you do something?
I don't know.
You didn't finish yours out. Okay, so you didn't finish them, like you didn't tell me what X equals.
Oh,
That's why
what?
you only have 3 points.
Miss Blackman, there ain't no more room. Oh wait, I can make right
Or do
there.
it on the, yeah, do it over there or something.
Alright.
That stuff is easy though. We need to do all that stuff.
Well, I split this
forever.
into 3 parts. There's one more thing we gotta do. The other thing is not so easy, but it's not like terrible.
Like, yeah, that other thing, like, the first day that we went over it, I zoned out, and so I didn't get any of it done. And so for the rest of the time that we were going over it.
Where did this come from?
Where did what come from?
Oh, I accidentally wrote down.
Yeah,
the
you're
wrong
doing the third
number.
one. You're doing the 3. The -3.
Oh.
I already did the 4. I need you to do the -3. Alright. Are there any questions on your test that y'all need me to go over? Most of it's just factored wrong. Really, honestly, that was the only thing that y'all did wrong was the factoring part. And the fact that you didn't show your work. Like, if you don't show any work, I can't give you partial credit. I can't see what you did wrong, okay? So make sure that you're showing some work so I can give you as much points as possible. So if you don't have any questions, just put them in the tray. I think most of y'all did that though, right? You got my page 17?
Oh, no.
If you're working on that side, I'm not thinking Snapchat.
Okay. Yeah. Talk to your mom.
Hey, Hunter, do you want me to send this test to,
That'll work.
Miss Kendrick?
Yeah.
Okay. The only part that you're missing is that long division stuff, which is what we just went over, okay?
That's what I said.
Alright, so Tyler just put up the answer for 8 of -3. You should have gotten 288, right? Y'all look like y'all are pretty good on these. Y'all okay? Okay, there's one more little piece that we have to learn next week. Listen up, guys. There's one more little piece we have to learn next week. It is not hard, but it's not as easy as this stuff. And then that'll be it for chapter 5. We're going to move on to chapter 6, okay? That'll be test number 4 in the computer for us. So after that, you should start to see your grades leveling off a little bit, okay? Because right now, they're still doing this little roller coaster thing with grades. Yes, dear. Yes, I'll email him right now. Thank you for reminding me. Okay, if you haven't turned in page 17, you should be working on that.